Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today we're checking out the Launch X 431 Pros Elite, the best automotive diagnostic scan tool for car owners and professionals. Let's go over its top features, pros, and cons. Let's get started. Product features. Comprehensive diagnostics. The Launch X 431 Pros Elite isn't just your average OBD2 scanner. It provides comprehensive diagnostics, including active tests and ECU coding. These features allow users to go beyond reading trouble codes. You can actually command system components to perform specific functions, which is especially helpful when diagnosing more complex issues. Whether you're doing routine checks or tackling a tricky repair, this tool has you covered. Enhanced customization with ECU coding. One standout feature is ECU coding. This lets users unlock, modify, or disable certain functions in the vehicle's system. For example, you can customize auto lock behavior, lighting settings, or enable hidden features not available by default. It's ideal for users who want personalized control over how their vehicle behaves. Professional-grade features. This scan tool is built for professionals. It includes features like actuator testing and module reprogramming, which are crucial for advanced diagnostics and repairs. Whether you're working in a garage or managing your own fleet, this tool delivers the precision and depth you need for serious automotive work. Ease of use. Despite its high-level capabilities, the Launch X 431 Pros Elite is also very user-friendly. Its interface is designed for smooth navigation, and the active test function makes it easy to pinpoint problems by testing individual subsystems like fuel injectors, ABS modules, or fans. It saves time and simplifies complex troubleshooting tasks. Global accessibility. Another key benefit is its multi-language support. This makes the tool accessible to users around the world, including multilingual workshops, international mechanics, and DIY users in different countries. No matter where you're from, you can use this tool comfortably in your native language. Pros. Advanced diagnostics, including active test and ECU coding. Professional-grade functions like actuator testing and reprogramming. Highly customizable vehicle control features. User-friendly interface with easy navigation. Global usability with multi-language support. Cons. May be too advanced for casual car users. Higher price point compared to basic scanners. Requires occasional software updates. Final thoughts. To wrap it up, the Launch X 431 Pros Elite is a powerful, professional-level diagnostic tool built for mechanics, auto technicians, and serious car owners. With features like ECU coding, active tests, and actuator diagnostics, it provides deep insights and control over vehicle systems, far beyond what basic OBD2 scanners offer. If you're serious about maintaining or repairing vehicles, this is a smart investment. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Kingo for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.